Welcome. I'm Johanna Prince. I'm the program coordinator for the Masters in Instructional Technology and the Associated Certificate in Classroom Technology Integration and the Certificate in Instructional Design. The graduate programs in educational technology are designed to tackle 5 essential questions, which we list on our homepage here. And the faculty chose, as we were developing curriculum, to look at a really broad range of other organizations and documents for inspiration. For instance, we looked at the international standards, the International Society for Technology Education standards for educators, that has sort of 7 different domains. We looked at the Consortium for School Networking Framework for Leadership for those folks who are seeking tech director and IT roles. And then we also looked at the New Media Consortium, the Horizon reports, which are always looking at sort of the current and the short-term horizon for educational technology and the longer-term horizon. And we looked at all of these and realized that our program and the students that we'd be working with would not align with a single set of standards or sort of a vision for what educational technology is. So instead, we came back to these questions that we hope you will have an opportunity to engage with throughout your program. We have a more diverse student population. We've got folks working in K-12 settings, we've got informal educators, IT directors, technology coordinators, higher education faculty, and then instructional designers working across a real range of settings. So our hope is that across the courses that you take, you will engage with these 5 questions in a variety of ways. Each course is not designed to tackle all of them at the same level of depth, but hopefully it'll give you a sense of the different ways to approach thinking about educational technology. And then what the program faculty has done is we've taken those questions, which you'll see over here in the left-hand side of the rubric. We've taken those questions and then we've translated them to some observable outcomes. And for one question, you'll notice there may be more than one outcome. And then we've looked at 4 levels of performance, so from beginner, foundational, applying, and innovating, and hopefully a set of skills that will build as you engage with your courses. For the students in the Masters in Instructional Technology program, which is not everyone who's taking our courses, our hope is that by the end of the 33 credits, they'll reach the applying level in all of those outcomes, if not the innovating. If you're taking one course as a non-degree student or you're working in a certificate program, you may not have the opportunity to engage at the same level of depth or demonstrate your skills with this, with the rubric. The rubric's in beta stage right now, so as you work with it, we hope that you will give us feedback specifically around the levels. Do they sort of move at the same pace? Are there gaps in what we are looking for? And any other feedback that you have. So I hope that gives you some context to how the rubric came about, how we hope you'll use it in your courses, and please, if you've got questions, be in touch with me and also the program faculty that you're working with in your courses.